What it do, back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue, about to do another hairdo, so stick around and keep on watching.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Yes, welcome back to the channel. We have another beautiful piece of artwork on the market. This is by MyFirstWig. Okay, so it's a unit created for beginners. If you are a first-time applier or a first-time wearer, or you're just getting started, you're just getting into applying wigs, they kind of take a lot of the groundwork out for you. It's really easy to apply. So the texture is silky straight. It did have a little bit of curl in it when it came in the package to me, but I did go ahead and curl the hair some more because, you know, I'm a girl that loves the curls. The inch is 20 inches and the color is black and brown. It is a 13x6 lace and the density is 160. Okay, I was able to say all of that because they gave me a card. More companies need to do this. The hair is really full, super silky straight, but it does hold a curl. It is really beautiful on. It feels luxurious. This does not feel cheapy weepy. You already know if it's not good hair, it does not make it to the channel. I think this is my second time to work with this company. I worked with them a long time ago and they rallied back for another video, which I'm happy for because we do love a hair sponsor. But the hair is absolutely gorgeous, very luxurious and super beginner friendly. The knots on it are bleached. If you want, you can bleach it some more, but they have done a really great job, and in my opinion, I feel like you don't need to bleach anymore. I did not even put any concealer in there, and you can still see some parting action. So it's a really beautiful, well-constructed unit. It did come with this slightly to the side part, and I liked that, so I decided to leave it alone and work with what came in the actual package. As for styling, it was super easy. I did about 6 curls and I was good to go, and I got this. Okay, I did do some layering, did chop it up a little bit just to make it a little bit more full, a little bit more bouncy. If you want hair to look bouncy, you have to layer it, or else it's just gonna look flat. And flat is not bad if you're going for that really sleek type of look, but if you're a girl like me and you like body, you have to put layers. Okay, you have to put layers. Make sure you check them out. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. So without further ado, let's get right on into the video clip. And we're back with another hair video. So today's wig is by MyFirstWig. This is all the goodies that you get. They even give you a little instructional pamphlet, which I think is very helpful for beginners. Remember that this wig is designed to help beginners. All right, you get some clips, you get a comb, and you get this cute little pouch to help you on your way. Look at this wig. It is truly a brown unit with some blondish type of highlights. Not really blonde. What do you call this color? A little rusty. You call everything rusty, girl. What is this color? Okay, like a little gingery auburn type of highlight. The wig cap is perfectly constructed. You get this elastic band to help you with some more grip if you decide that you don't want to glue this down. The lace does need a little bit of tinting, but it really wasn't that bad. The plucking on this was superb. Beautiful. I really love that a lot of these companies are getting into plucking this unit, because remember when it was super dense? Girl, they had us plucking for our lives. Okay, we were bleaching and plucking for our lives. All right, but a lot of hair companies, you know, they're jumping on the bandwagon. Like, they know, listen, the girlies have things to do. Some of us got kids and husbands. We ain't got no time to be sitting here bleaching and plucking wigs. Okay, it is 2023. All right, those days are over. Can we stop? All right. So I really love that they made everything, the application of this wig, everything. I really love that they made it super simple. Like, companies who are making it simple, like throw it on and go, always will have a special place in my heart, because honey, no, we're not doing that anymore. So for today's unit, I decided to pull out my curling iron and give her some voluminous curls. Okay, I was a little bit on a pinch, and even though I know my bendy rollers would do a really great job, I decided to curl this today because I had some things to do, and it was just like, I gotta go, I gotta keep going. Okay, like, there was no time to sit and wait, like I have to do it now. So it was super easy to curl though, because I did these big chunky curls, and I have my curling iron set to 220 degrees, I think Fahrenheit. What is it? Fahrenheit, Celsius? Girl, the highest setting I think would be 400 in degrees Fahrenheit for you, 220 degrees Celsius for me. Okay, so I have it on high heat and it was really curling. Like, I was like, okay, this is gonna be a breeze. So I was really, really happy how easy it was to curl, even with it being 160% density. Like, it was taking on the heat. There was no melting. The hair is absolutely top notch. It is high quality. I mean, look at the shine of it. Look at the shine of it. Now, when you do get this wig, please make sure that you wash it before you go in and style it, okay? Now, to be honest with you, I did not wash mine because, like I said, I needed to get it done. But when you receive yours, you take your time, wash it, deep condition it, let it air dry, and it will look even more bouncy and fluffy. This hair is 10 out of 10. I do recommend. She's so beautiful, so beautiful. She is a true chocolatey highlighted unit that is going to be great for the autumn season for the girlies that love a subtle bit of color. Like I said, this is going to be the unit for you, okay? I know for those of you who have been following me for a long time, I don't mess around with a lot of color because I feel like dark hair always looks best on me. I have tried a lot of color, well, not a lot, but I've tried some color here and there, and yeah, dark hair, brown hair, like ginger hair has always been my type of thing, okay? For the girlies that get it, they get it. For the girlies that don't, they don't. But anyways, yeah, super easy to curl. Like, look how fast I'm curling this unit. Now, once I was done curling, I did leave it alone and let it cool down completely in my little pins right here. I like these little pins. Like, I feel like pinning the hair like this is just so much easier compared to using the actual duckbill clips. Like, you just pinch it like right there. It doesn't leave a crimp in the hair and it holds the curl. Like, how easy is that? Anyways, I left it and made it cool down because you want to make it cool down. That way the curl can have some more time to form in the hair. So yeah, while it was doing that, I actually went on and did some other stuff. But this hair, look at this hairline. Look at this hairline. It's perfect. Complete perfection. How beautiful. Okay. Absolutely stunning hair. Now it's time for the application. I'm all fresh faced, and while I'm doing this, I'm thinking of what makeup I'm gonna be wearing and all of that good stuff, okay? Make sure you follow me on TikTok because I did do a TikTok makeup tutorial for this look. Yeah, anyway, let's get back into the application, okay? Putting it on, I'm gonna give you a real close-up right here. Look how beautiful, look how beautiful. Just needs a little bit of tinting, but not that much, okay? Because once I started to glue it down, the lace completely disappeared. Literally disappeared, like alakazam, alakaboom, poof, it was gone. Okay, so today I didn't cut the lace, just trying something new. I noticed a lot of girls apply their unit like this. It's not really my fave. I would prefer to cut the lace. So I tried it. I didn't really like it. I feel like when I cut the lace and I applied it, I get a much better application. But that's neither here nor there. Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I love this. Remember, this is water soluble. If you're gonna wear this in the heat in the summer, this is not the glue for you, okay? It will lift with any type of sweating, but it gives you a good hold in the meantime, in between time. If you're in the office or anything like this, you will be fine with this unit. But for the most part, once water hits it, it's lifting, okay? So it's just a temporary type of glue for the girlies that will not go into permanent gluing, or for the girlies who don't like permanent glue, okay? Personally, I'm not a permanent glue wearer. I think it is very important to allow your hair some time to breathe, especially at night. As for me, I like to take off my units whenever I wear them to go to sleep. Like, I want my head to be free and relaxed. And besides, I get head rubs from hubby, so yeah. I'm taking off the wig whenever I'm done wearing it, okay? And this particular glue is great for that. Now I'm cutting the lace. As you can tell, like, look at that. It literally disappeared. It literally disappeared into my scalp once it was glued down. Really, really beautiful. Then I'm gonna go in and wipe up around the edges just to make sure that I get rid of any excess glue that might be left on my skin, because we don't want that there. Okay, so I always have like a little damp rag on hand that helps to remove any glue residue, and it also kind of dampens the edges a little bit of that glue and just helps to melt things back into place. Okay, so right here I'm just going over, like I said, the lace disappeared now. I just added a little bit more water because the glue is still underneath there, so I didn't have to apply any more glue. Got all cute. Look at this lace. Lace where do you see the lace? Okay, if you see the lace, you're too close. You're too close to me. You need to back up. Okay, we are not friends like that. All right. Like what are you doing? Are you trying to see my pores? Okay. I'm just kidding, but look how flawlessly that lace laid. Super stunning. So I'm just going to brush it out and I'm going to give it some layers. The rest of this video is self-explanatory, so please go ahead and enjoy. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you check out MyFirstWigs. All the information will be down in the description box. So let go.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight. Post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Tonight they'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. Yeah, we can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight.
That is it for the styling of the video. As you can tell, it was really easy to do. Okay, I was surprised that she was holding a curl. She was easy to curl. Like, it took, even though it's 160% density, which might be a little bit thick for some people. Some people really like 150, but as for me, girl, I like it full. Okay, a lot of body, a lot of bounce, super luxurious, very silky, very beautiful hair. The coloring on it is absolutely stunning. I really do like this. This is also a really great unit for the autumn season. You know, just to touch on that little brown, you know, a little bit of brown. If you don't like too much color, this is definitely the way to go. They really did a really good job coloring this. It's subtle. It's not too bam in your face, but you can tell there's some brown hints of color in there, like some brown highlights. Really beautiful wig. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So make sure you check out MyFirstWigs. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. Listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share the video because sharing is caring. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. And until the next video, take care of yourselves and I will see you guys really soon.